Alright guys, we are outside at the Michaels Easton Town Center in Columbus, Ohio. This is their new concept store and we're gonna go in and order fabric and we are gonna see what that is all about. Right, I went through all the fabric and I picked out some brown gingham. It is cotton. And we're gonna scan and see how we order this. So it brings us to the Michaels app site. It's $10.95 a yard. It is shipping. Looks like you have to order in 1 yard increments. I don't have an option to not order in a yard. So that's interesting. Okay. But there are other options online. I'm gonna switch it up and order gray instead of the taupe. Okay. It's $10.95 a yard, tax $1.39. Shipping is $5.95. So really it's $18.29 for 1 yard of fabric if you order it online. So I will make a screenshot of that. I will order it and we will see how long that takes. I'm out of the store now. It was very busy in there. I ordered the gingham in gray. Now, here's a couple of my takeaways. It is a 1 yard minimum if you're buying fabric by the yard. So you have to buy a minimum. Flat rate shipping appears to be $5.95. I did come out in my car and I added like 3 different fabrics to my cart and it stayed at $5.95. So I suppose if you're going to be ordering multiple yards of fabric, you'll save there in the shipping. The fabric that I bought, the coupon doesn't work. So I don't know. I had a 30% off coupon and a 20% off coupon in my app. Neither one of them worked on that fabric online, so that again sucks. Stinks, sorry. 3-day packing. So 3 to 5 days until I get it. Maybe 7, I don't know. Today is the 20th of August. It's 5:30. I just ordered it. So we'll see. We'll see what this is all about. Now, second takeaway. The fabric felt very acrylic. It did not feel like cotton fabric. I'm wondering if it's just the sample that they have that's not cotton, so they stay nice. I don't know. It didn't feel like any cotton fabric, and if you saw me hold it up, you could see the light through it. So I'm hoping that's not an indicator of the quality of the fabric. I would have recorded a little more of my feelings in there, but there was a ton of people in that store and all the staff was standing there watching me. Even though I asked the girl and she said I could record. It was a little uncomfortable, but whatever. I did it. I ordered it. It'll be here. I want to make a gray gingham bow. A stuffed puffy bow. I'm turning off my camera. I think I just recorded a bunch while walking through the store. It just made me a little uncomfortable in there. We're gonna see what's on here. But yeah, we did it. We'll see what happens. Now we have to wait. I won't come back on. I'm just deleting something. Oh yeah. I recorded 16 minutes of me walking around the store. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. I'll edit it. Yeah, and then I went looking for some fall decor, but it's so expensive in there. Even at 30% off, it's ridiculously expensive. I don't buy from Michael's, stuff like that. But I wanted to try this fabric. We're gonna see what happens, and when it comes in, I'll give you a little review of what I think. But right now, what I think is I just paid $18 for a yard of gingham fabric, so I'm not so happy about that. But it's for science. All right, we'll be back. Okay, guys, fabric has arrived. Today is August 26th. I believe I ordered it on the 20th in the evening, but you'll know that because it was in the beginning. So we're gonna open this up. So a little overview, you go in the store, you scan, it takes you to the online, and you have to order in 1 yard increments. Coupons do not work. And you have to pay a flat rate shipping of $5.95. I did come home and I added like 3 yards, 5 yards. It still seemed to stay at $5.95. So I'm assuming it's up to a certain amount of yardage. So that if you're going to order, it probably is in your best interest to order more than 1 yard, I guess, if you need more than 1 yard. I don't typically buy yardage. I typically get things in half yard. Right, Alex? Yeah. Okay, so interesting is it's sold through Michael's, but it's actually coming from Mook Fabrics. It's M-O-O-K, and it's in Loyola, Pennsylvania is the company that you're getting this fabric from. And I'm just looking at my receipt here, and yes, it was indeed Mook Fabrics Gingham, 45 inches wide by the yard. I have a 30-day return policy, so I can return this if I don't like it. $10.95, $5.95 shipping, $1.14 tax. Total was $18.04. And then I get a thank you for shopping at Michael's. You can return your items by using the Michael's app or website. Go to my account, click order history, and click the store name under this order to get the return and refund policies that are specific to this store. So I'm gonna try to return it and see if it's gonna charge me to ship it back, or can I just take it to the store? Okay, so it comes sealed. And I'm curious of the quality because in the store, the samples felt weird to me. They did not feel like cotton fabric that I'm accustomed to buying. But if you're buying fabric, you're aware that there is a distinct quality difference. If you're not accustomed to buying fabric, think sheets. Where your Hobby Lobby, some of their fabric that feels rough is the equivalent of like 150 thread count, and then quilting fabric, premium quilting fabric will be like a 400 count sheet. Like this, just a feel difference, the softness, the thickness, the roughness. This doesn't feel terrible. It is gray gingham. Now I did have a taupe in my hand, but when I went online, you had the option of different colors. I mean, it's not terrible. It is not terrible fabric. It is a yard. It is printed, not woven, if that makes a difference to you. So there's definitely like a front and a back. And I mean, it's not terribly cheap. So that's good. I mean, it's decent. It's decent fabric. I will give them that. It's decent. I was not sure what to expect. I'm not really going to return this because I want to make a bow for my front door for football. So I'm not returning it for sure. Am I happy that I had to spend $18 for a yard of decent fabric? Not even like great fabric? No. high-end quilt fabric like Moda, if you went to a real quilt store, I think it's like $16.95 the last I checked for a yard if it's not on sale. And I paid $18 for this, and it definitely is not quilt quality. Now I'm curious, I think I have some decent fabric over there. Let me see. Hold on one second.
Don't move.
So this is Mook fabric. Decent. This was Dollar Tree. It definitely feels rougher. Like there's a roughness to this Dollar Tree, but this Dollar Tree here feels very similar to this. So I have found though with your Dollar Tree fabric, you don't always, it's not consistent quality. You really have to feel it because I don't think they all come from the same manufacturer. I mean, this is nice and heavy. This is decent Dollar Tree fabric. I would say it's equivalent to this. Now this is expensive fabric, and this is Tabby Road is the name of it. Disco Kitty by Tabby Road, or for Tabby Road. And this just feels softer, more quality. I don't know how to explain it, and I'm doing a terrible job. But again, not terrible. Not terrible. I assume it will wash up nicely. I mean, it's nice. It's a decent fabric. Again, if this is what you got, this is what you got. So I wanted to share that with you. I will try to return it, and then I'll come right back and see what is entailed in me trying to return that fabric. Because even if you don't have this, you don't have the store that I went to, this is their online fabric option for Michaels. All the online. It's just not the store here at Easton. All their online stores is this is the fabric. So let's see. I'll be back. It appears that there are no returns of cut fabric in store or online. So once you order it, it's yours. So there's a risk involved as well with that. Now, obviously, if you go in store and you buy the fabric, I get that because you're there and you've touched it, you felt it. But online is kind of risky. But again, it's decent. I wouldn't be mad if I ordered this. I just wish you could use coupons or something, but you can't. So I just wanted to drop back on and let you know there are no returns with the online fabric ordering. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments below, and I will talk with you later. Bye.